Oh my god. I've got a dash cam, mate. Pull your fucking car over. Mate, you just drove into someone. Hey? Didn't happen. I've got a fucking camera and there's a massive dent in front of your car. Pull the fuck over. I'll call the cops. Are you kidding? You just drove into someone, mate. Pull the fuck over. Alright, I'll call the cops. That sounds better to me, doesn't it? Alright? Breaking in. I'm on the phone with the cops. I'm on the phone with the cops, mate. You drove into a car. I've got video footage of it. I've called the police. They're on the way.
So where are you?
Because you didn't stop for an accident. You hit and run. It's a hit and run.
Where are you, mate?
You can't stop. You can't. No, you didn't.
Where are you?
It's illegal to leave a hit and run. Sorry.
Okay.
We are
Where
stuck.
are you now?
I'll give you a 3 words. You just wait here for the police. If you've called them already, then
Tell
nothing.
me where you are.
If you have called them already, then nothing will be fine. Everything will be fine. Just give me a moment. I'll give you 3 words. Just stay where you are, mate. I'll follow you to the police station, okay? I'll follow you to the police station.
Just tell them to stay there. We've got police.
You've got a
around the
police
corner.
instruction. Talk to the police. She's on the phone right now. Talk to the cops right now. She's on the phone with me. Okay, I'll follow you. Oh my gosh. Absolutely.
Is he going straight up or is he turning left?
Oh, there I saw your lights. There's another cop car. This guy.
Cop cars.
Yep. Got him.
You got him.
S23.
You got him?
Yeah, there's a L73 CJ is pulled up behind him with the lights on.
Police cars behind him.
Oh, now he's going to stop in the middle of the road. I'm going to go around if it's okay.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your help.